So cool, science! Why do I push on the door when my car turns? And of course, the wicked cool answer is, you don't push on the car. The car actually pushes on you every time the car goes for a spin. Why, you think I'm making that up, huh? You think I'm full of buffalo spit, huh? Well, I got a wicked cool challenge that you can do with your friends that's gonna have you doing backflips. With practice. And of course, all you're gonna need is an empty pickle jar and a small little ping pong ball. I went to a ping pong ball match. They couldn't find a ping pong ball. I now have a ping pong ball. So, do you think I can put a ping pong ball in a jar without ever touching the ping pong ball? Well, the answer is yes, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video right now. The real question you should be asking is, how? Well, check this out. Whoa, now that's so wicked cool. I put the ping pong ball in the jar without ever touching the ping pong ball. That's so wicked cool. You can go try it with your friends. You can challenge your friends. Your friends are going to think you can't do it and you can be able to do it and they're going to be so freaking wicked cool. So, how was I able to put the ping pong ball in the jar without ever touching the ping pong ball? And what does this have to do with your car pushing on you when it goes around a curve? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. Centripetal force is a force acting on an object that is rotating around a central point. As an object moves, its velocity wants to go in a straight line in the direction of its motion. However, when there's a force at a right angle pushing on the object towards a central point, it creates a balance between the object's velocity and the force pushing inward. We call this centripetal force. As you spin the ping pong ball's velocity wants to go in a straight line. However, the spinning jar pushes the ball towards a central point. As the ball picks up speed, it rotates further up into the jar, which allows the person spinning the jar to flip it over and capture the ball inside. This is why your car actually pushes on you when you go around a curve. You don't push on the car. If the car door wasn't pushing on you, then you would fly out of the car in a straight line. So now you know more about centripetal force. You know, being able to put a ping pong ball in a jar without ever touching it is why science